Hi, Dr. Adriana Huertas from Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to heal faster after a car accident? Well, let's talk about Winback. It is an advanced technology that is changing recovery for good. Winback Therapy is also known as Tecar Therapy. It is a cutting-edge treatment that uses high-frequency energy to accelerate healing deep within your tissues and muscles. After a car accident, your body faces inflammation, muscle damage, or stiffness that can slow down your recovery. And Winback Therapy can help you increase circulation, reduce swelling, and stimulate your body's natural healing process, all while easing pain. This is a non-invasive therapy that helps accident patients regain mobility faster and feeling their best. If you are looking for faster recovery after a crash, discover the power of Winback Therapy. Visit OviedoSynergy.com to learn more.